Alright, we're cleaning a mobile home. It's got 3 main rooms of carpet. He's pre-spraying the red room. Then we got this darker brown carpet. This is a fairly large room. There's something here. I already sprayed it with ammonia, but not too bad. We've got one more room back here. Kind of loud because the air conditioner's right there. This has got a lighter color carpet in it. And this is probably we're gonna do some peroxide back here because it's light colored carpet, it's gonna need it. It's a little bit dingy. So stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna start with the red carpet in the bedroom. I guess it's rose colored.
Takes kind of pink. But whatever.
And it's kind of a sculpted carpet, but it's pretty old. All these carpets.
It's a sculpted carpet, but it's the sculpting's kind of worn out on it.
Yeah.
It's seen its better days.
Now the deal with this mobile home park, they used to have a guy with a truck mount that cleaned these carpets, and what was happening was the carpets were getting so wet and they took too long to dry, and they started having to replace all their subfloors because they had some of them have some plywood in the bottom, or that OSB.
Like particle board?
Particle board, yeah. And so we can do these carpets and they'll be dry in an hour, and that saves their subfloors. And the carpets are all really old and worn out, so the scrubbing that you get with an orbital machine is a lot better than what you're going to get running a wand back and forth. So it's kind of beneficial.
Yeah, the truckmounts they were using so much pressure to get the carpets clean, they were spraying right through the subfloor and they weren't getting all the water back up, and it was rotting the wood underneath the carpet.
Yeah, and he just went over a carpet repair where they've had a carpet patch done, and this doesn't harm those. And a lot of times with a truck mount, if they have their vacuum turned up too high, they can start pulling stuff loose.
No, truck mount people, without insulting them, they don't want to admit that they can do that to your floor, but they can do it to your floor.
Well, they can stretch your carpets. Your carpets need to be redone. They can also lift everything up, and then your pad doesn't sit back down right, so you have a lumpy pad underneath your carpet. And if the carpets take too long to dry, then you're going to have lots of other issues with your subfloors. Also, you're going to be bringing up anything that was down in your pad. If your pad got dirty, all that stuff's going to wick its way up to the top and cause brown spots.
Now, I don't know if the camera shows this, but when we're going over this, the carpet finders are standing up and they're real clean and real pretty and bright.
Yeah, it's brightening the carpet up.
Because the carpet was dull before we started. Now it looks good.
For as old as it is, it's looking pretty better.
It looks pretty good, yeah, it's nice.
I'll say one thing about this mobile home, it has a real good air conditioner in it.
Yeah, it sure does. We're in Central Texas and it's smoking hot.
Yeah, it's well over 100 outside right now.
It's hot enough to cook a egg.
It's kind of muggy today too. It's usually real dry, but it's muggy today. So hopefully this is coming out on video that the carpet is actually brightening up.
If it don't come out on video, it's happening in real life, so.
Yeah, and we are getting the naphtha rays back up again, which is nice. So it makes the carpets look a little bit less old than they are.
Yeah, they're pretty sharp.
And nothing embarrassing's happened, so I haven't had to stop the camera and delete the footage.
Every now and then I look to see if he's got the camera running. The other day we filmed a really nice video, and
oh, it was the best video we ever made.
It was pretty good.
Except that the camera wasn't actually recording.
Something happened and the camera wasn't recording, and we lost a really nice video that we could have shared on YouTube and Facebook and all that stuff.
Oh, it would have made us world famous, but it's
so,
gone forever.
That happens.
Just trust us. It was incredible.
It was a dandy.
All right, I'm going to pause the camera because he has to pre-spray this room, which will take him a little bit of time, and then we'll come back.
Whatever it is.
All right, we're in the living room now. This carpet is more like what you might see in a commercial building. They're usually glue-down carpets.
It looks like a glue-down.
Yeah, so you may not be able to see much of anything. They don't really, look a whole lot different. They brighten up a little bit.
This is the kind of carpet that everybody's just sticking a runnel
Yeah.
It's smooth out, it's dark, you're not gonna see stains on it. Because when people wreck carpet places, they tear them up.
Yeah.
It's the kind of carpet that I put a rental home if I was in a rental. We used to be in the home rental business, and people tear your places up. We've done all that in the past. Home rental houses and all
Now,
that.
some of these spots here, like right here, that looks like an abrasion on the carpet, so that may not really change much.
We don't know.
Over here, you can see where the carpet's been torn a little bit.
That could be some bleach even.
Yeah. I hope this stuff comes out. It looks kind of like
I don't know what that is.
I hope it's not bleach. Yeah, one thing on these carpets, you gotta watch where you're going because you'll lose track of where you've been because you can't really see.
Yeah, they don't make no prick from the bonnet because they're so short so you can get lost.
Yep.
You just have to do a pattern. That way you know you did everything.
Yeah, that carpet there did change. You can see it transformed pretty good, but this carpet here you can't tell so much.
It's transforming. I can see it. You can see the clean areas from the dirty areas.
Yeah, it still benefits from a good scrubbing action.
Oh yeah.
And the pre-spray helps, and you're attracting all that dirt and everything in the carpet. Yeah, the whole idea with this bonnet is you got to have something that's more attractive to the dirt than the carpet. And that's what the bonnet is good for, because the dirt just loves that bonnet. And the carpet releases it.
Here, I'll put it as edge. Stick the whole edge all at once. Now, one thing about this bonnet that you can't get with a carpet extractor, this will go right down the edge. It hits every square inch.
Yep.
It don't miss. It don't miss part of the edges. You guys are watching this. We're going to have a link to this machine on our Amazon influencer, so you can go purchase one if you want to, and enjoy the carpet business with your new machine. I don't know what that is, but that's bleach.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's still lightning though. It may not be.
It's bleach. I don't know. Maybe it's not. It feels like bleach. It don't feel rough, like dirt. We'll spray some peroxide on it before we leave.
I put some ammonia on it a while back.
Oh, you might put a little more. I'll try it here in a second. Ooh, the floor's uneven under here. I can feel the way it drags the machine left and right. The subfloor is not even.
Now we had some chewing gum that was in the carpet in another room, and we just sprayed ammonia on it and used the edge of a pair of scissors and just scrape it. Yeah, and it just broke right apart, so we didn't have to get the iron out and heat it up or anything. So a lot of that stuff can come out. You don't have to cut the carpet fibers. You just drag the scissors across it, and you can scrape the stuff right off.
This one only right here. Well, hang on. That's a big old spot. Whatever that is, it don't come out. We might be able to do something with it with money. That's good. Let me see if it's stubborn still. It's not going over. Whatever it is, it's going to be in there permanently. Somebody's redyed the carpet right there.
Yeah, on these older carpets, you can't always do much but clean them. Carpet cleaning doesn't repair carpet damage, and there's certain things that you can do to a carpet that are permanent, and you can't get them out, and so you just do the best you can. If you can make every carpet look perfect, that'd be great, but you can't. A lot of them are
If
just...
you're watching our channel and you're new to carpet painting, when you come across carpets you can't clean, don't feel bad. You didn't do it, the customer did it.
Yeah, it just happens.
Don't ever feel us.
Well, in rental properties,
Nobody can.
these are rented out, so anything can happen. See if those will move now.
You're not responsible for what a customer did when you weren't present. They tear the carpets up, there's nothing you can do.
That came out a little bit more.
spray that again, I'll try it later.
Yeah, give it a little bit of time to set up.
It's not gonna come out, I don't think. I don't think it's the same.
Those look a lot lighter. We got a red here.
Rock salt on that red,
I'll get it in a minute.
and it'll probably fade it all the way out, like it never happened.
You might go over just a little bit more of that red spot. On carpets this old and this thin, we don't really like to try to use an iron because usually you're just going to end up taking the dye out of the carpet and not budging that red spot.
Yeah, this carpet's already had enough trouble without getting ironed.
Yeah, some things you just leave them alone because you'll probably cause more damage trying to fix it than you will if you just leave it there. And it's not a real big red stain. Now the carpet looks a little bit darker because it's damp now than it did when we started, but it's a lot cleaner looking too. The fibers definitely have a little bit more vibrancy to them.
It's darker than we pulled the dirt out of it.
Did you go back on this one yet, Jay?
Yeah, it's dark. It's actually the natural color of this is a dark brown.
Yeah.
If it's light brown, it's full of dirt. All right, let me try this a little more. Did you respray these with ammonia?
I think you went over them again. Try that one. In front of you there, about 3 foot.
I know. That's your big boy. It ain't gonna come out though.
Yeah, stay on it a little bit.
That's got dye in the carpet, I guarantee it's some woman did something with her hair in here and spilled it on the carpet. Sometimes you get them out, sometimes you won't.
And then when you finish that one, try this one more time.
I feel like I'm gonna burn a hole through the carpet. Which reminds me, when you do these, get your carpets good and wet. You will burn the carpet up with these bonnets if you don't get them wet. This is definitely not. Like I said to you guys who are watching our channel and you're brand new carpet cleaners, the reason we put these videos up and don't show all the everything looking perfect is because in reality everything's not perfect. You can no carpet cleaner in the world can get everything. But remember, you didn't do it to the carpet, the customer.
Just stay on that till you hit dirt.
Yeah. Stick to China.
Yeah. If you see grass, stay on it.
Did
Keep
you spray
going
that
till
over
you
there again, that big
I'll
one?
put peroxide on them.
Okay.
That's about the last ditch right there. Oh, that one has a gouge in it too. So.
Yeah, it's bad. Alright, we're about to round this up. The customer's coming. It's clean.
Yeah. Take one last little look, see if this red carpet is drying. Well, that's about it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, thanks for watching.